It's been fascinating, honestly.
Motivating and uplifting.
Not what I expected.
Well thought out, lots of speakers, lots of topics.
Until you come, you have no idea what you're walking into.
No idea. Favorite part of the show, let's see.
Kind of fun seeing where we've been and where we're going, and police work is ever changing.
The fleet challenge.
That was a lot of fun.
When I came, I thought it was going to be networking.
The networking.
I mean, I never would have met cops from Nebraska.
From England,
Washington,
Cincinnati, Australia, and Las Vegas Metro who were involved in that shooting. And to see
what they're doing, what we could be doing better.
the best way to figure out the answers is you find people who've been through it. Well, I think the coolest thing is
The training.
The vendors,
The panel discussions.
The voice of customer sessions.
where you get one-on-one with the people who are actually doing the research and development for this.
it's contagious.
Every class, even though you think you know,
Thought I knew. I didn't know about that. So
That's what makes us so excited at the Sheriff's Office in Pennington County is that we are getting on a pretty cool train that's clearly going somewhere.